And this is my little Cirrus red block puzzle box I'm making. Just about halfway through. Probably have about 5.5 hours into it so far. A lot of real kind of precise cuts and just real time consuming. No major mistakes so far. And you can see here's one of the slide actions. Right back here is where it slides. A lot of little different latches and locks. The one in the front here. And see what that does, that actually locks the movement up and down of this front piece. And that's about it so far. Kind of a fun little build. Time consuming, but it's fun.